Hey guys, it is currently Friday about 11:30 and I wanted to get this out before you head out for the weekend. We have our BLT meeting on Monday, and so just a few things that we're going to talk through. First, we have holiday plans. We'll walk through what it looks like for the next couple of weeks. We've kind of put the holiday on hold through this week, and I know that it just doesn't feel quite like that. So we're going to try to kind of relaunch some exciting things that are happening in the next 9 days after this. PD Day, we'll talk through just a little bit of what that PD Day might look like on January 3rd, and then the end of the second quarter, and we need to talk a little bit about 7 and 8 Incentive Day. Um, the end of the second quarter does not happen until I believe the 14th. Um, sorry, the 13th, and I believe we're supposed to ski already on the 20th. And so knowing that there's a grade cutoff in there for incentive day is might be a quick turnaround. And if parents have paid and then can't go, all of that could be a problem. So I just want to talk through what that might look like so we can get word out to kids if we decide to make a shift and have a change of required day. Anyway, we're going to talk a little bit about One School, One Book, what that's going to look like. And then survey results and next steps is probably the more majority of our meeting. So if you remember, we compared ourselves to all these schools and those with similar demographics. The similar demographic schools that continue to always be in the top were Esco, Laverne, and New London Spicer. We were usually 5 or around the 5th. But I called each of their schools and talked to their middle school principal or elementary principal, depending on who it was. And I asked just canned questions to everybody as the conversation lent itself, and just kind of tried to figure out some things of what they're doing. And so you can see just a little bit of information on what they all said and tried to piece together what information they gave me and just say, like, it was interesting for me to see, like, there's no one true hard answer of this is why we're always doing great, this is what it looks like. But just gives us some more information about where we are, where the path is, and where we're headed, I guess. We can talk about what next steps look like, but it was interesting to just kind of see where some of the top performing schools were at. So those that at least have the same demographics and that are the same, close to the same size as us. So that might be something to take a look at and peruse through before you get to Monday at 3:15. We will be in Caleb's room. I anticipate weather next week, but I think we're going to make it through Monday. I promise I won't be super late because if we do have weather, we'll try to figure that out. If not, we will probably try to meet online Tuesday if there was something happening. But just wanted to give you a heads up, have some time to process. Lastly, guys, I just want to say how proud of you I am. I know that this is going to be and has been a hard week, and it's going to be a hard weekend. I think that there's no other group I'd rather go through this with or have in front of our kids or with our kids as things are going to get challenging here in the next couple hours. So just thank you and thank you for being there for our staff. No matter which way, just being part of our building, you've been affected. And so I just really appreciate knowing that everybody's here for each other and that we have just a rock star crew. So, all right, there's enough of being sad. I will see you all later this afternoon or tomorrow, and take care and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.